looking at mostly cloudy skies, so we have the clouds out there, but not the rain. Well, if you're looking at the radar picture, you're probably saying, well, we have some blue on the radar here. What's that all about if it's not raining out there? Well, believe it or not, this is actually not rain. This is called chaff. This is something that the military actually let out of their aircraft a couple hours ago. It can be plastic, it can be aluminum, and basically it's something that they emit from the aircraft in order to confuse radar, and it's used in times of war, obviously, but obviously just an experiment here over the Fort Myers area as they release some of that chaff material. So look at the bigger picture. You can see where we have the blues right here. Again, none of this is rain. This is all man-made material. And actually, I want to show you what that looks like when it is released from an aircraft. You see these flares that go out and the smoke that goes with them. Again, these are little flares go out, little heat signatures, or perhaps aluminum that's released from these aircraft in order to confuse any enemy military aircraft from being able to actually use any heat-seeking weapons to find the aircraft. So kind of an interesting thing out there. No known harm to any humans, but nonetheless, just wanted to show you that on the radar picture. And if nothing else, it's actually a great thing that the military has that as an option. Now, look at the radar picture. We have technology that can erase all of that man-made material and show you only the rain. So it is raining right there in the eastern Gulf. We have a lot more rain up to our northwest as well. You can see the showers and storms moving through the panhandle, and these are slowly but surely heading our direction.
Is the public really stupid enough to believe that the military is constantly testing chaff over their heads in an attempt to jam ground-based radar from surface-to-air missiles? Notice how the last news anchor says no known health risks.
So kind of an interesting thing out there. No known harm to any humans, but nonetheless, just wanted to show you that on the radar picture.
Of course, there are health risks from breathing in microparticulate aluminum pieces. Aluminum is linked to Alzheimer's. Chaff is of course a cover story to cover up the aerosol and geoengineering programs using likely aluminum, barium, and strontium. Also of note in this broadcast is the newscaster admits there is software being used to cover up these layers of military spraying taking place in our skies daily and show up as simply nothing.
We have technology that can erase all of that man-made material and show you only the rain.
This proves that these programs are large scale and happening more often than the American public is told. Because the military does not announce when they are spraying various substances and tests in the air over the American people, it can be easily assumed that these tests are not in fact what we are being told they are. If in fact it is chaff, why are they spraying it over large population centers such as the state of Florida, California, and Oregon, and large cities such as Orlando and San Diego? Obviously, there are human health side effects, and this airspace is not a military testing ground. It is also interesting to note that these weather people admit that chaff is only used during war times. However, there is no war taking place over these population centers in the United States airspace, nor should the public expect to be sprayed with countermeasures and experiments which are used to help block radar signatures. Of course, those in the know realize that this is simply a cover story for the massive geoengineering and other stratospheric aerosol experiments taking place currently.
We have technology that can erase all of that man-made material and show you only the rain.